So I'm here at Woxsen in the context of a guest lecture program. It is my first time in India. I stayed here for 1 week and I had the opportunity to do many things. For example, lectures with your students' classes, but also meeting with staff and professors, and also meeting with your local stakeholders. For example, we have at Hyderabad, so it was a really interesting experience for me, mostly because we explore many opportunities for future common and mutual collaboration, and I'm sure that we will implement many interesting activities in the future together. So thanks to Woxsen staff and everyone for giving me these extraordinary opportunities.